Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? You know that cold feeling when the check engine light suddenly flashes? That tiny orange symbol that ruins your day? Now imagine owning an SUV so reliable that light never dares to turn on. These are the 5 SUVs in the USA that mechanics secretly hate because they rarely, if ever, break down. Some are rugged legends, others are smooth family cruisers, but all share one thing: unshakable reliability. Let's see which SUVs have earned their bulletproof reputations and why everyone's talking about them. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner, the unbreakable beast. They call it the tank in SUV form. The most talked about feature? Its legendary body-on-frame design, the same one used in pickup trucks. Engines like this don't retire, they just keep breathing. That design makes the 4Runner practically indestructible off-road. Even after 250,000 miles, owners report 0 major repairs. It's not the most high-tech SUV, but that's exactly why people love it. It's raw, tough, and timeless. If reliability had a face, it would look like a Toyota 4Runner covered in mud. Number 2. Toyota RAV4, the everyday hero. In every neighborhood, there's at least one RAV4 quietly doing its job perfectly. The most talked about thing about the RAV4 is its insane resale value. It holds value like gold. A RAV4 doesn't scream power, it whispers reliability. With its 2.5-liter engine and rock-solid hybrid option, this SUV has become America's everyday favorite. It's the car you buy once and never regret. You'll see them on highways, in suburbs, even used as Uber SUVs, all because they never die. Number 3. Honda CR-V, the silent warrior. Here's the SUV everyone describes with one word: smooth. The most talked about feature of the CR-V is its buttery smooth drive and quiet cabin, even after years of use. Honda engines don't age, they evolve. It's not flashy, but it's consistent. Owners say their CR-Vs feel new even at 150,000 miles. That's Honda's secret weapon, reliability wrapped in calm. It's the SUV for people who just want peace of mind on every road trip. Number 4. Buick Enclave, the American luxury tank. When people talk about the Buick Enclave, one thing always comes up: its interior comfort. Spacious seats, soft suspension, and whisper quiet ride. It feels like you're driving a luxury car, not an SUV. It's American muscle wearing a tuxedo. The Enclave's V6 engine is solid and long-lasting. It's proof that American brands can build reliable SUVs too. Families love it for road trips because it feels like a living room on wheels. Powerful, plush, and built to last. Number 5. Lexus NX, the silent luxury killer. Luxury usually means expensive repairs, except when it's a Lexus. The most talked about feature? Its bulletproof hybrid powertrain, so efficient and reliable that mechanics rarely see one come in. Real luxury isn't loud, it lasts. It's smooth, silent, and strong. Owners love that it looks high-end, but behaves like a Toyota inside. 0 drama, 0 breakdowns. In a world full of fragile luxury cars, the NX is the one that just keeps going. The unstoppable Toyota 4Runner to the elegant Lexus NX, these SUVs have proven one truth: reliability never goes out of style. Engines that never quit aren't built overnight. They're engineered with purpose. So if you're tired of check engine lights, endless repairs, and surprise bills, choose one of these 5 legends and drive with confidence. Because real power isn't just how fast you go, it's how long you last.